So major chord and minor chord. Here's a little sketch that I did waiting in a waiting room. It's a good place to wait. And I had a few minutes, so I did our little still life. This is a major chord, you see, very dark against light. And this one's more of a minor chord because it's not quite so dark against the light. Now you'll notice here I've used just lines, and I've just taken our still life and played with it and had some fun with it. Let me just show you how that works. Let's just put in our orange and our little vase. And I'm going to show you a major chord now. So a major chord would be quite dark right here. And let's make that cloth sort of bend up a little. Maybe make it a little rounder there. There we go. There's a major chord, see? And I like to use a stump if I'm pushing this stuff around. This is a Conte pencil, Conte. Maybe I'll put a little bit down in here. Now here's a minor chord right now. Take a little more here. It's a soft transition, see? From here to here to here. Say there was a shadow on the wall, whatever. So you'll see that I have a very major chord right here. Now, if my painting or picture is all major chords, as in here, I just start adding a few more very dark sections. Now, maybe it's not quite so dark as there. I mean, this isn't as white as this major chord here, but it's still a major chord right here. So major chords are very dark against very light, and a minor chord painting would use all softer, no real dark spots, although there may be some dark spots, not a lot of them. So here we go, and I'm just building up this picture. I'm thinking my light source is from here, so I'll just keep adding a few. Now, because this vase or this glass ceramic container is white, it would never be black. So now I'm adjusting values. Values just dark and light. Major chord has a lot of dark values. So you can see that we've got that going here. And I'm just distributing this beautiful little pencil, Conte or Conte pencil, Conte, whatever, C-O-N-T-E, or let's just call it a charcoal pencil, very hard charcoal. There we go, and there's a light value, so maybe I'll just pull in a little soft. There's a light value, I leave that there. And I think I want a little dark value right in here. See how this works? Just playing with values, dark and light, major chords, and maybe some minor chords. Maybe I'll put another major chord in here. So it doesn't have to be something, it doesn't have to be a table. Just think of values. Think of it has to be a value rather than a thing. Hey, that's not bad. There we go. Now up here I've lost the spoons and I see my original drawing. Here, all I have to do is make some darker spoons. The inside of the spoon is darker. You can use these like a pencil, see? It's a blending stump. So there is a fast, what we might call it a value study. The more that you draw your picture from memory, the better. Because then it becomes, instead of a copying, translating it instead of just transcribing it. I'm going to soften the edge there. Look at that. Texture. Maybe it's an old wall. There's the orange. Got to have some texture on the orange. Texture on the cloth. Well, I think we're ready to do a watercolor now. Go to the next video, and we can do this together. A very realistic rendering of a still life.